Next one, spinal twist. Y'all are going to love this one. Okay, from this position, I'm already all twisted up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this back out a little bit, out of the stretch. I need her help a little bit. I got to grab the table here. Take this hand and put it across the chest. That makes it so you don't want to do this. This goes here, there. Okay, I got to get her turned towards me. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start to bring this over. Now, if I don't lift her hip up when I turn her over, as I bring her leg across, I'm going to get that same impingement problem. So what you do is you have two choices. You can either hold this leg and reach with this hand and pull the hip over, or you can reach with this hand and pull the hip over. Depending on how long your arms are, it doesn't really matter, so long as you're lifting the hip over. Notice where my body is. Where's her knee? Against my body. If I don't have my knee here, what's she going to feel like she's going to do? They're going to tell you they want to fall off the table. So here, this is going to fall into me, over, turn, then this free hand goes to here, and now I can clear out that leg, slide my hand down to the knee, and it's gentle pressure. The next thing we're going to do is go to side lying for the downside rectus femoris. So from this position, all I got to do is bring her out halfway, and then say, now turn onto your right side. And the rest of then the next set of stretches is in this position. First one was the lateral line, took her out, bring it up, bend the knee, put it over here, crook of the elbow, over top, fully externally rotate, lean. Nope, I need more stretch. Walk to the other side, interlock, top of the knee, lean, down pressure. That's where the gold is. From that position, we go into the spinal twist. I'm going to come out, arrange her hands for her. It's better than explaining it. Grab that hip, up and over, brace, slide, gravity does the work. I just counter pressure. We're going to go right to sideline. So I just hold the leg as I turn on this way. And I keep this leg here for the next stretch. Back up just a little bit. Perfect. Okay, this is one of my favorite stretches, and it's going to be your client's favorite stretch too. This hand holds this knee. Pull that up a little bit. I'm going to stretch it's called the downside rectus femoris stretch because I'm stretching this leg, not this leg. You've all done this, right? Where you've grabbed this, you try to pull it back while holding that. Leg feels heavy, doesn't it? Hold that tight. Watch this. So much easier. Okay? You pull this back until you get to the barrier, flex the knee, walk in. It's a hands-off stretch. So the reason this leg is pulled into the chest is so that as I bring this leg back and stretch the rectus femoris, it stops her from going into lumbar extension. That's why this is hugged all the way up. So pull it all the way back, let the knee flex, walk inside. We go to here. The next stretch on the list is actually called the top side hip flexor, which I'm not going to teach you, but I'll demonstrate because most of y'all do it anyway, which is from this position, take them out, bring this to your chest, bring this leg to your chest. I push it underneath so she knows what I mean. Take the top leg, now you hold this guy. Now, the advantage of this stretch, this version of the stretch is I get to control how much knee flexion we get. So if I want more hip flexor, I just open this leg up, bolster this. Now watch my body. I think this is the biggest mistake I see most people do. They'll do this. And you're here. Watch where you got to be. Here. If I'm back here and this arm's locked out, I get to use my entire body weight with no muscular effort. So I can control the knee flexion angle. That's the nice part about this. If I want more hip flexor, I'm here. If I want more rectus femoris, I fold this to this side, and I'm here. If I want even more rectus femoris, I plant this, and I shove this over, and then I'm here.